Hello, welcome to Viewport's background. Over here I'll show you how to put a background into a viewport and then use it as a reference to make something different. We won't be creating objects, but you can use it to create something having a reference image in the background. So what we do is come select a viewport, click on Alt and B, that's a shortcut for it. Come to backgrounds. When you come to backgrounds, use customize user interface solid color. So this is either a solid color or a gradient color that uses in the background. What we want to do is use our own file. So let's go here, files, and let's select, let's just say this. I was practicing on this, so I've put on this over here. Now we'll match it to the, let's say we apply it to the active viewport. Look at the image, this is all stretchy. So what we have to do is match bitmap, not match viewport. Matching viewport is getting 100% of the viewport there. Match bitmap. When we match bitmap and apply to the active view, it matches not to the whole viewport but as big as the images, that's all. Now one option more that we have to click is lock zoom pan. Why do we have to do that is I'll tell you in a bit. Let's just do OK over here. We come to our viewport, scroll out, and you see your grid moves but not your image. Now suppose you want to create a box that is similar to this shape, right? So let's just switch off our auto grid from the last class. We create this and a small box, right? So we come out of this over here and we've created a box. Okay, so we are using this as a reference image that we have to create this much size, right? Now when we move this, our object has moved and the reference image is no longer a reference. It's moved from its place. So what we have to do is, when we apply a background, go back to Alt B, right? When we apply a background, we have to lock zoom and pan. What this does is it moves the image along with the grid. Apply to active view. Okay. Now we zoom out. We pan. So we get all of this and the image is moving, right? All with the zoom and pan, it's all moving. So this was a important trick. Alt B is the shortcut for it. Another way to do is come to the plus view over here, right click on it. You have configure viewports. You come to this side, click on backgrounds, again use file, and what if you want to remove this? You have a remove button here, just click remove, apply to active viewport. Okay, so your background is now gone, you're back to your original viewports. So that was it for background for viewports. Let's see you in the next section. See you.